Hi, folks. Welcome to Crisco's Corner. Hi, folks. Welcome back. And those of you that are new, welcome. This is a clip from Hunter Biden's lawyer. And unfortunately, sorry to put you through this. Hope it won't get what we Italians call agita. Is on MSNBC. Now, you know, I'm not trying to be discouraging and try to put down other humans, but this guy is a dolt. The reason why he's hired, I don't know why, because frankly, Hunter Biden didn't need a lawyer. Whatever the cheapest one that was available, apparently. And the fact of the matter is, it was already a done deal. This lawyer did not negotiate the weapons charge down to do a diversion program. He didn't get the IRS and the feds not to prosecute and have jail time or serious penalties for the taxes on $2 million Hunter didn't pay. He didn't do any of that because of the fact that the Department of Justice was basically Hunter Biden's lawyer, i.e. Joe Biden's lawyer. But it's interesting what he says. And let's take a hear. Like I said, sorry to put you through this, but this is worth checking out.
Hunter Biden's laptop had anything to do with this investigation? Was it used?
I don't. No, I don't. I mean,
were you ever asked about it?
I can't recall being.
I can't remember. You know, not to be a smart ass. This guy's on national television, whether it's on MSNBC or not. He's on national television. You think he can wear a tie? Seriously, dude? Unbelievable.
Asked about it, to be honest with you, but there's nothing about the situation that's been filed that has a thing to do with the laptop.
Why not?
That's right. It doesn't have a thing to do with the laptop. Why? Because the DOJ already predetermined what they were going to charge Hunter Biden with. And if there were another 20 or 30 criminal, at least, charges to look into, they weren't interested. The IRS thing, everybody is, well, the rich don't pay their fair share, so they had to appease the progressive base. And the gun charge, when he put down he wasn't taking any illegal narcotics when he purchased the weapon, and then I believe his wife or his ex-wife or maybe his girlfriend, I'm not really sure, threw the gun in a garbage can by his school, and he got a diversion program. As Kash Patel said, he was a public defender for hundreds and hundreds of federal cases. Just same as Hunter Biden, where they lied on an application to get a gun. And now one of them went into the diversion program. For those of you progressives out there that say, we incarcerate way too many non-white people, look what's happening. Look what just happened. Hunter Biden didn't go to jail. Why? I don't know. You're a progressive. You figure it out.
I don't know. You'd have to ask the prosecutors.
The Republicans will say the laptop has tons of proof that there was that Hunter Biden participated in corruption, that there's financial proof that President Biden and Hunter Biden were connected in the gains that were made overseas by Hunter Biden. Have you ever seen any proof of that?
No.
No, we don't need any corruption proof, even though there is some, I'm sure. But we've all seen the photographs of Hunter Biden doing crack, weighing crack on a scale with underage prostitutes. Videos all over the place. Tons of them that came from the laptop. Oh, we're worried about corruption. Forget the underage prostitutes and the crack. I guess that doesn't count.
I know. I mean, again, I've seen people wave various random emails around. I've never seen it. Obviously, whatever that stuff has been available to everyone in the United States for many years. Sadly, I mean, I don't know how you'd feel about if everyone was disseminating the contents of your stolen phone.
Disseminate the contents of your stolen phone. There's the lie. Hunter Biden's laptop was not stolen. It was left at a Delaware repair shop, and this moron, whether he was just too high or too stupid or both, left the laptop there for a long period of time. And under Delaware law, as in most states, if not all, there's ways to try to get a hold of the person that left the merchandise for repair. Registered letters, I'm sure they were sent out, and they jumped through all the hoops. And when those all are ignored, after a certain amount of time, the repaired item goes to the possession of the repair shop. You can't just have it sitting there forever taking up space and then come back 3 years later and say, oh, by the way, where's my laptop? There's got to be a period of time where you lose possession of it. You lose ownership. And he says somebody stole your phone. It's a lie. It's a con.
I wouldn't be happy about it, but
I might
everybody's
sue.
had it. Maybe you would. I don't know. That would be your choice.
Sue. You can't sue if it doesn't belong to you or this contents doesn't belong to you. That's the lie.
Yeah.
But I haven't seen anybody make an actual persuasive case that something was done. And, you know, you asked whether or not the subject of the laptop was part of the investigation. It's been out there. And, you know, we don't have any proof of it, that there was any kind of violation.
We don't have any proof of any kind of violation. What a crock of crap. Because the DOJ wanted nothing to do with the laptop as far as prosecution goes. It's amazing to me. Truly astounding. So Hunter didn't even need a lawyer because all of his lawyers work for the DOJ. And the head lawyer, Merrick Garland, the Attorney General, is a lawyer. He was supposedly going to be put on the Supreme Court, so he knows law. He was Hunter Biden's lawyer, make no mistake. This guy was just a figurehead because it would look odd if Hunter Biden went to the DOJ and was interviewed and prosecuted for these charges and went before a judge and was quote unquote sentenced and didn't have a lawyer. It would make it look like the DOJ was his lawyer and the system was his lawyer. We couldn't have that. So we got this mental pygmy. Well, say he certainly won't be bringing the potato salad to the next Mensa picnic. As his attorney, I would want to see the contents of the laptop. I would want to know what my client is up against as far as legal charges goes, but he knows. He knows the deal was made without a lawyer. Pay penalties and interest on the taxes not paid on $2 million and a diversion program for the gun violation. That was done without him. He was just there to take up space. And then they interview on MSNBC and he lies. Well, how would you like it if somebody used the contents of your stolen phone? It wasn't stolen. The moron left it there. It's amazing to me. It's like I have a son. He's 38. And if he did something this stupid, I would say to him, just out of curiosity, so I don't think you're a complete and utter idiot. What were you thinking by leaving that computer at the repair shop for all those months so we'd lose possession of it? And the answer would be, I don't know. Amazing. Well, this is how you like to see this for whatever's worth, Department. Until the next time, goodbye and good luck.